Model, 68-plate Peugeot partner 1.6L BlueHDi 75 L1 starts drives engine needs repair. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 142,758. MOT, the 19th of February 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FE, BHW-A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a slight knock. Not sure if this is the top end, or a Conrod bearing. Would also need to turbo replacing, starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,